What happens during a solar flare eruption? Have you ever wondered what happens when the sun unleashes a powerful burst of energy? Let's take a closer look at solar flares and their fascinating eruptions. A solar flare is a massive explosion on the sun. This event occurs when energy stored in twisted magnetic fields above sunspots is suddenly released. The process behind this is called magnetic reconnection. Here, tangled magnetic field lines snap and reconnect, resulting in a burst of electromagnetic energy that travels at the speed of light. When a solar flare erupts, it sends intense bursts of radiation, including X-rays and ultraviolet light, racing across the solar system. This radiation can reach Earth in just a matter of minutes. Alongside the flare, charged particles like electrons and protons are often released. These particles can be accelerated into space at incredibly high speeds. Sometimes, a solar flare is accompanied by a coronal mass ejection. This is a massive cloud of solar material and magnetic fields that the sun ejects into space. Solar flares are categorized by their strength using a letter system. A, B, C, M, and X. The X-class flares are the most powerful, with each letter representing a tenfold increase in energy output compared to the previous class. For instance, an X-class flare is 10 times stronger than an M-class flare. Understanding solar flares is important for many reasons, especially for politicians. These cosmic events can impact technology and infrastructure on Earth. The radiation and charged particles from solar flares can disrupt radio communications, interfere with satellite operations, and even lead to power grid outages. In extreme cases, solar flares can pose risks to astronauts in space, necessitating protective measures. NASA and other space agencies closely monitor solar activity and issue alerts when significant solar flares are detected. These alerts are essential for governments and organizations to prepare for potential impacts. They help in protecting satellites, adjusting flight paths, and ensuring the stability of power systems. Being aware of solar flare activity allows political leaders to make informed decisions regarding public safety and national security. In essence, a solar flare eruption is a sudden releases of energy from the sun's magnetic fields. This results in bursts of radiation and charged particles that can have real-world effects on technology and infrastructure. Monitoring solar flares is vital for preparedness, making it a relevant issue for political leaders and decision-makers.